Have you ever felt that something was missing during your cycling adventures? Well, at the Bicycle Clinic, we have the answer for you. An expert tune-up may be the secret ingredient to maximize your enjoyment while riding.
Your bicycle, just like any other machine, needs a little love and attention to perform at its best. We have over 30 years of experience tuning bikes for satisfied customers in Jacksonville. And with over 290 satisfied customer reviews on Google, we are rated as one of the top 10 bicycle repair shops in Jacksonville by Trustpilot.
We have 3 different packages for you to choose from, designed to meet any need and budget. Plus we pick up and return bikes from your location within a 20-mile radius of Mandarin. Many of our repairs can be done on site from our mobile repair shop. This saves you valuable time and money over having to drop off and pick up your bike at a shop.
With a tuned-up bicycle, every pedal stroke becomes a joyous experience. Your ride feels effortless, allowing you to connect with the road, the wind, and nature in a way you never thought possible. But it doesn't end there. A tune-up includes essential upkeep, preventing potential breakdowns and costly repairs in the future. It's an investment in the longevity of your cycling adventures.
So, why wait? Let the Bicycle Clinic tune up your bike today and elevate your riding experience to new heights. Contact us and let us help you rediscover the joy of cycling.